Hello to everybody. Now we have to discuss about some problems on pedal equations. Here pedal equation comes under polar coordinates. Recapitulation for problems. Pedal equation for polar curve, pedal equation for Cartesian curve, angle of intersection of curves, perpendicular from the pole on the tangent, learning objectives to determine the pedal equation for polar and Cartesian curves. Session outcomes: pedal equation for Cartesian and polar curves. Prerequisites for solving problems: pedal equation of both polar and Cartesian curves. First, we have to find the pedal equation for some curves. Here we have to consider the curve cardioid r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Solution for this problem: here the given curve is r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Differentiate this curve with respect to theta. We get derivative of r is dr by d theta is equal to a is constant, keep as it is. Derivative of 1 is 0 minus derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So minus into minus plus, so sin theta. Next we have the pedal equation 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r raised to 4 into dr by d theta whole square. This implies 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r raised to 4 into dr by theta d theta. Here dr by d theta is a sin theta, so we get a square sin square theta. This is equal to, here you take 1 by r raised to 4 outside, we get r square plus a square sin square theta. Next, this is equal to 1 by r raised to 4 into r square. By using given curve r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, so r square can be written as a square 1 minus cos theta whole square plus a square into sin square theta. So here take a square outside, we get this is of the form a minus b whole square. Expand this one, we get 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta plus sin square theta. Next, this is equal to, here sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. You take 2 outside, the remaining term is 1 minus cos theta. So 2a square by r square into 1 minus cos theta. This is equal to 2a square by r raised to 4. By using given curve 1 minus cos theta can be written as r by a. This is equal to, here a get cancelled and r get cancelled, we get 2a by r cube. So that is 1 by p square is equal to 2a by r cube. You take cross multiplication, 2a p square is equal to r cubes. So this is the required pedal equation for the given curve. Next, we have to consider one more curve. Find the PR equation of the curve 2a by r is equal to 1 minus cos theta. Solution: the given curve is 2a by r is equal to 1 minus cos theta. Differentiate this curve with respect to theta. So here 2a is constant. Derivative of 1 by r is minus 1 by r square into derivative of r is dr by d theta is equal to derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, so minus into minus plus, so we get sin theta. Now we know that tan phi is equal to r into d theta by dr. So tan phi is equal to minus 2a by r into sin theta. This is equal to minus, by the given curve, by given problem, 2a by r can be written as 1 minus cos theta. So divided by sin theta. This is equal to minus, by using half angle formula, 1 minus cos theta can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2. And again by half angle formula, sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Let's simplify this one. So here 2 get cancelled and sin theta by 2, here 1 sin theta by 2 get cancelled. The remaining term is sin theta by 2 cos divided by cos theta. Sin by cos is tan theta by 2. Next, this tan pi is equal to minus tan theta by 2 can be written as tan of pi minus theta by 2. So this implies phi is equal to tan pi minus theta by 2. And we know that P is equal to r sin phi. This is equal to r into sin of, so phi is pi minus theta by 2. This is equal to r into, so sin of 180 minus theta by 2. So 180 minus theta by 2 is sin of 180 minus theta by 2 is sin theta by 2. Next, by using given problem, we have 2a by r is equal to 1 minus cos theta. This implies 2a by r is equal to, by half angle formula, 1 minus cos theta can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2. So sin square theta by 2 is equal to here 2 get cancelled. So we get sin square theta by 2 is equal to a by r. Therefore P is equal to r sin theta by 2. Square on both sides. P square is equal to r square sin square theta by 2. So P square is equal to r square sin, here sin square theta by 2 can be written as a by r. So replace a by r. Here r get cancelled. P square is equal to ar. So this is the required Padal equation for given curve. Again, we have to find one more curve, that is parabola. Y square is equal to 4a into x plus a. Solution for this parabola. This is the given curve, y square is 4a into x plus a. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y square is, so after differentiating we get dy by dx is equal to 2a by y. Equation of the tangent at xy is y minus y is equal to 2a by y into x minus x. After simplification we get 2ax minus y into y plus y square minus 2ax is equal to 0. Call this equation number 2. the length p of the perpendicular from the origin to the tangent 2 is given by p is equal to, so this can be written by using equation number 2. This is equal to y square minus 2ax by square root of 4a square plus y square. So this implies p is equal to, so by the given parabola, y square can be written as 4a into x plus a minus 2x divided by again 4a square. Again this y square can be written as 4a into x plus a. So after simplification we get 2ax plus 4a square by square root of 4a into x plus a. So finally we get square root of a into x plus 2a. Square on both sides, so we get p square is equal to a into x plus 2a. Also we know that r square is equal to x square plus y square. So r square is equal to x square plus y square is, this is given problem. Next r square is equal to, this can be written as x plus 2a whole square. R square is equal to here x plus 2a. By using this, x plus 2a can be written as p square by a. So p square whole square, p raised to 4 divided by a square. This implies, so p square, here you take cross multiplication, we get p raised to 4 is equal to a square r square. That implies p square is equal to ar. So this is the required Padel equation for the parabola y square is equal to 4a into x plus a. So the session summary is, we got solution of Padel equations. MCQ. Which of the following characteristic is not included in the study of general procedure for tracing the algebraic curve? The solution for this question is, answer is C, orthogonality. Next, if the curve r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, then dr by d theta is, here we have to differentiate this curve with respect to theta, then we get, the answer is B, a sin theta. Third question, Padel equation for Cartesian curve is, P is equal to, answer is A, P is equal to y minus x dy by dx divided by square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Fourth one, the Padel equation of the polar curve 2a by r is equal to 1 minus cos theta is given by, so the Padel equation for this curve is, answer is C, p square is equal to ar. Fifth one, in an polar curve r is equal to f of theta, what is the relation between theta and the coordinates xy? The answer is C, the relation between the theta and the coordinate xy, coordinates xy is 1 plus secant square theta is equal to y square by x square. So these are the reference books for this session. Thank you one and all.